Welcome! Today we'll show you how to block and unblock email addresses on Rogers Yahoo Mail. Let's go! First, sign into your Rogers Yahoo Mail account. Click the gears icon at the top right corner of your inbox. Then select More Settings. Select Security and Privacy. To add an email address to the blocked list, select Add. Enter the email address and click Save. You can also block senders by right-clicking their message and selecting Block Senders. Review the details in the confirmation window, then click OK. To unblock an email address in the Security and Privacy settings, hover over the address and select the trash icon. That's it! Now you can easily manage your inbox by blocking or unblocking email addresses on Rogers Yahoo Mail.